Types of data. There are two types of data: primary data and secondary data. The data collected by a person for himself or for someone else is called primary data. For example, if the principal of a school wants to know the number of students using different modes of transport while coming to school, then she or he can ask each class teacher or a particular teacher to collect the information. Such data is called primary data. On the other hand, the data collected by someone for himself and used by someone else is called secondary data. For example, the data collected by the principal about the modes of transport while coming to school may be used by a bus contractor to know how many buses will be required by the school. Frequency distribution. In the table given on screen, marks obtained by 30 students in maths out of 40 are given. The marks are called variables, and the number of times a variable occurs is called its frequency. For example, 35 is called variable, and since 3 students got 35 marks each, so the frequency of 35 is 3. When the data is very large, it is difficult to arrange data in the form of the table given. So for that, we use tally method to prepare a frequency table. It can be shown as given on the screen. We take each observation from the data one at a time and put a tally mark opposite to the observation. Here, observation are marks. If a particular observation is repeated 4 or less number of times, we put as many tallies or vertical lines as the number of times it is repeated. In case it is repeated 5th time, we cross out the 4 vertical lines like this and keep on for more than 5 observations. Let's understand bar graphs by means of an example of ages given in years in a table on screen. Let us draw frequency table for the given data. So we have, there are 11 students with the age of 12 years, 16 students are there who are 13 years old, and 11 students are of 14 years old, 4 students are 15 years old, and only 3 students are there who are 16 years old. Now we draw bar graphs for the frequency table as shown on screen. Let us now talk about range. The range tells us how widely spread the numbers are. Range is the difference of the largest and the smallest observation. For example, let us find the range for the following data given: 45, 47, 45, 86, 62, 80, 48, 41, 31, 51, 99, 80, 78. So here the smallest observation is equal to 31. The largest observation is equal to 99. Range is equal to 99 minus 31 is equal to 68.